Lost data on your iPhone? In this video, we'll review iBeesoft iPhone data recovery, its features, performance, and whether it's worth using. Part 1. What is iBeesoft iPhone data recovery? File support, photos, videos, messages, contacts, call logs, notes, WhatsApp, etc. Recovery from iPhone, iTunes, or iCloud. Preview, check before restore. Updated, supports latest iOS or iPhones. Part 2. Is iBeesoft iPhone data recovery free? iBeesoft iPhone data recovery isn't a free tool, but it does come with flexible pricing options. Depending on your needs, it runs on a subscription model, with the standard yearly plan priced at $39.95. Part 3. Is iBeesoft iPhone data recovery safe? Yes. iBeesoft iPhone data recovery is generally considered safe to use. It's a read-only program, meaning it won't overwrite your existing data during the recovery process. The software is also free from malware or bundled third-party tools. Part 4. Pros and cons of iBeesoft iPhone data recovery. Pros: easy to use for all skill levels. Preview files before recovery. 60-day money-back guarantee. Cons: slow customer support response. Only yearly subscription, no monthly or lifetime option. Part 5. Best alternative for iBeesoft iPhone data recovery. If you're experiencing issues with iBeesoft iPhone data recovery, or are simply looking for a more affordable alternative with better customer support, Mobican Doctor for iOS may be just what you need. Guide for using Mobican Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Download and install Mobican Doctor for iOS on your computer. Open the software and choose Recover from iOS device on the left side. Step 2. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the computer. After the software detects your device, it will display the types of data you can recover. Select what you need and click Start Scan. Step 3. Once the scan finishes, preview the found data. Choose the files you want to restore and click Recover to Computer to save them.